What's up, XRP holders? So what's going on today, my friends? The price is more and more fades down. So what we will need, my friends, to do this time? Absolutely, the condition is very critical now. So therefore, the decision is very hard, my friend, to we will take, especially for new holder. So therefore, I will notify you, my friends. So if you want to be safe from loss and absolutely be safe from loss, my brother. So you will need, my friends, to watch this video completely to understand better now. And this time, my friend, XRP price is very badly decreased now in last 7 days, minus 11.63%. The price is decreased now. So therefore, if we check out, my friends, the latest update, my friend, of XRP, so definitely we will completely understand to upcoming time. There is a 100% chance, my friends, to XRP will pumps up and get a very good profit. But some holders tell us, my friends, to upcoming days there is a chance so there will be a loss now, they cannot get a profit. But absolutely some experts says, my friends, to upcoming tab, I think everything is going very good now. So let's see, my friends, do what's going on. But please, if you are new my channel, my brother, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So see you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.